Hello YouTube, back at it again. Under the hood, yeah, under the hood. See, I MacGyvered this. I had some backfires, and so I leave the clips off. Now I put a fair in, and if something happens, okay, that was for the zekerheid. But now I will show you something else. See guys, this is under the hood with my LPG installatie. I get it from here and from here, but this one was loose, was hanging off. And it gives us some sort of vacuum from the verdamper, vaporizer, and it goes and comes here. And it has to do with the lifting. So I fixed it pretty stevig. And I need to fix it on top, and this is my MacGyver thing. Okay. And when I fixed it, the backfires, no more backfires. So that was quite nice, eh? Okay. Oh guys, everything back on. Oil was good. I gave her some cool fluid stuff. Give her a little bit more. Maybe we can do a test drive now. Okay guys. We're gonna start her up and see how she runs, yes? Okay guys, here we go. No misfire. I would like to drive a little bit, but my friend is coming soon, so maybe a little drive. Solide. Turn around. Just turning it around. Rolling. And brakes off. No hesitation. Rolling. Just turning her around, guys. You know, she needs no warming up. The extra LPG did the trick, for sure. I'm 100% sure. I'm gonna give her a fine tune. C'est très bien. C'est très bien.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon.